everybody. Hope everybody had a great Christmas, and I hope you have a really great New Year. Right now I'm traveling to visit family for the holidays, so no brand new lure build, but I'm doing a year in review of all the lures I built last year. Picked out 5 of the ones that I really loved, and I created some quick paced videos so you guys can watch them all in review. And if you're new to the channel, it'll give you a nice taste of the kind of work we do here and the kind of content I'm trying to create. Stick around until the end because I'm going to go ahead and talk about what we're going to do next year, the plans I have for lure builds and some other projects. So now here are the lure builds I liked the best from last year. Welcome back to the Engineered Angler. Today we're going to make a lure that I'm hoping will end up looking like an eel. Welcome back to the Engineered Angler. Let's make another lure. I want it to be sort of a combination lipless crankbait and blade bait. So it'll be made out of 2 materials. There'll be a metal piece down the middle, and then there'll be the wooden body that actually will form the lure itself. And So let's make another lure. I want to make a multi-part swim bait that looks like a panfish. This weird looking lure is the very first original design that I ever came up with. Now when I made this way back when, it didn't work. So the challenge today is to take an old design that really never worked and make it work. Welcome back to the Engineered Angler. Today I want to build a floating glide bait. Oh my God, I got him worn out. Let me see if I can get him in the net. Oh, no. Oh, he came off. Oh, fudge. Came off. That was 8 pounds if it was an ounce. Man, I have so many lures still on this board that I haven't had a chance to take out and actually fish hard. This one, I haven't even gotten good underwater footage of. But I'm working hard to try to get both boats, my little aluminum conversion boat, and the 18-foot Flycraft, trying to get both of those things back in working condition. Not only can I go out fishing, but I can actually get some underwater shots, because that's how I do it. And before both boats went out of commission, I was working on a project where I was going to make 4 or 5 identical crankbaits and experiment with different shaped bibs to see what effect these things have on the action of the lure. That's going to be one of the first ones we do next year as soon as we have a boat to actually get underwater shots. Because if I don't get underwater shots, all you'll have is me blathering on about, oh, this one wiggles a little more and this one waggles a little more. And I'd rather have it easy to look at underwater shots where we can put them side by side and you guys can offer your opinion on which ones work better or which one look more interesting. And the other project I want to do is to create a mold to make lures like this one, which has a continuous hinge. If you see in there, it has a piece of sailcloth that runs through the whole lure and gives it a really nice action, but it's really complicated to make as a one-off kind of lure because you've got to make it, well, in this case, 8 pieces went into this lure. And it really does make for a beautiful lure in the water. But coming up with a mold and a process to cast these lures around the hinge isn't as simple as you might first think. It is kind of complicated, and I'm working out the details, and that's going to be another one of our early projects coming into 2024. All right, guys, I'm really looking forward to next year and all the production we're going to do in the lure shop. I hope everybody out there can join me, and I hope you all can help me grow the channel. Reach out to your buddies, share this stuff, and I'll see you in 2024.